Welcome to this comprehensive breakdown of the Lloyds Bank Avios Rewards credit card, the credit card that promises to turn your everyday spending into travel rewards. Whether you're new to credit cards or a frequent traveler looking for the best way to earn Avios points, this video is for you. The Lloyds Bank Avios Rewards credit card is aimed at those who want to collect Avios points every time they use their card. Avios points can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, hotels, and other travel experiences, making this card ideal for travel enthusiasts. Let's dive straight into the details of what this card offers, both its strengths and potential drawbacks. First, the key advantage is the ability to earn Avios points on both UK and foreign purchases. You earn 1.25 Avios for every £1 you spend on UK purchases, and 2.5 Avios for every £1 spent abroad. This is a fantastic way to accumulate points faster, especially if you're a frequent traveler. Moreover, there's no foreign transaction fee when you use your card abroad, which can save you money on international purchases. One great feature is the complimentary upgrade voucher. If you spend £7,000 or more in a year, Lloyds offers you an upgrade voucher that allows you to upgrade one class on a return Avios reward flight. This perk is a big win for those who frequently book flights with Avios. However, let's talk about the downsides. The card does come with an annual fee of £24, which isn't too steep, but it's something to consider if you don't use your card enough to make the most of its benefits. Additionally, while the card offers great rewards on spending, the interest rate is relatively high at 22.9% APR variable. This means if you're someone who carries a balance on your card, the interest charges could negate the benefits of the rewards. The Lloyds Bank Avios Rewards credit card also offers some standard features you'd expect, such as contactless payments, balance transfers, and purchase protection. But if you're not planning to travel often, you might find other credit cards with cashback or lower interest rates to be more beneficial for your spending habits. In terms of services, Lloyds Bank provides a solid mobile app where you can manage your card, check your balance, and monitor your transactions. They also have customer service available 24/7, which can be handy if you run into issues while traveling. Overall, this card is an excellent choice for those who frequently travel, especially internationally, and can maximize the Avios points and upgrade voucher. However, if you don't spend enough or carry a balance on your card, the fees and interest rates could outweigh the benefits. That's a quick rundown of the Lloyds Bank Avios Rewards credit card. If you're looking for a travel rewards card, this could be a great option for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.